I would say the majority of people out there are not ready for what is to come. Most people have not been through a bull market before. This is my fourth bull market. I'm very excited, but I'm here to tell you, most people are not ready for what is to come, and I'm going to explain myself. But first, check this out. This is going to enhance this bull market. China and Saudi Arabia ditched the US dollar to sign a 50 billion yuan currency swap for trade. This allows China to start buying oil outside the the US controlled financial system, which is going to put pressure on the US dollar. And it's going to put pressure on the DXY, which is pretty much the dollar basket. And what is happening right now is that is going to drag it lower, which means people are going to flee to other things like Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin rises, it's going to rise all boats, and you're going to see an alt season. But there's more to this. The U.S. national debt reaches all-time high of $33.9 trillion today. Congratulations. Your government is doing an amazing job of creating massive amounts of inflation. And Ben Rickard comes on. He says today, he is one of the stars of The Big Short. If you haven't watched that movie, definitely check that out. I love that movie. It's one of my favorites. But he says money velocity, which is how fast money changes hands, has now contracted to a lower level than during the Great Depression and both world wars. Once the ability to produce by printing currency has been exhausted, it's coming to that. Creating more currency will not help. It is essentially pushing on a string. The phenomena is irreversible. And like I said, if you follow me on Sir Crypto Tips on Twitter, you'll know I say there's no opting out of this. It's finished. Like, they are going to print more and more currency. The more they print, the more they're going to have to print. This is what you call a debt bubble. Now we have strategies. He knows exactly what is happening. Michael Saylor just bought $615.7 million worth of Bitcoin and totaling 14,620 Bitcoin out there. He knows exactly what is happening. He knows that the US is out of control currency printer and that Bitcoin is an inflation hedge. Inflation hedges are very important, especially nowadays. Now, alt season. If you have been following me at our CT Club at learningcrypto.com, you will know that we have been sharing our portfolio of amazing coins that have done really well during the accumulation phase, which we are out of now, and now we are on the precipice of what you call alt season, and it's going to be a very powerful alt season as well. This is from TechDev on Twitter. He says, for the third time, altcoin market cap has broken above the monthly Bollinger Band center and breached the top band. And this is the highest compression of all three. What does this mean? It means that you haven't seen anything yet when it comes to alts. Yeah, and you know what? Like I say, I tell people all the time, hey, check us down at learningcrypto.com, but it's not for everyone. It's for people that want to hold more than just Bitcoin. And I'm trying my best to find these alts before the rest of the entire market finds them, which is really nice. So what you call micro caps, low caps, these are the type of coins that I really like INJ when I got into it in February. And I think what's going to happen right now is you're going to see coins that are going to be 10x, 100x, whatever. They're riskier, definitely riskier. So if you don't like the risk, Bitcoin. If you do like the risk, consider checking this out. And obviously we use these positions from these low caps, micro caps to add more Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the most secure network in the entire world. It's never been hacked and it probably never will be hacked. And we have the smartest minds working on it all the time. And it's an inflation hedge. It is global, permissionless, and so on. Anyways, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe. Talk to you guys soon.